So essentially this question says express the set negative 2x minus 4 less than or equal to 2x plus 4 using step number 1. I'm going to do this as an example. I'm going to put negative 2x minus 4 less than 2x plus 4. And for example, what you can do is subtract 2x from both sides. So I'm subtracting the 2x on that side, but I'm also subtracting it on this side. So at the next step, you're going to have the following. Negative 2x minus 2x is going to give you negative 4x. You copy the 4. You copy that less than or equal to. On the right side, these two go away. They cancel. All that remains is positive 4. After that, at the next stage, step 3, that is, you add 4 to both sides. So for example, do it this way right here. Write the next line. You copy the negative 4x. The negative 4 and the positive 4 again will cancel. You copy the less than or equal to. 4 plus 4 will be 8. Lastly, here I will have the following. I have to divide both sides by negative 4, like that. When you carry this out, because the number attached to the variable is negative, when you divide by it, flip the direction of the inequality. So it will tell you that x here is greater than or equal to, for example, negative 2. This is a way of expressing it. Let's take a look at another way by using interval notation. Let's do that now. Interval notation says the following. If you keep your writing so that the variable is always on the left side, so for example, like you see how it's on the left side, this x over here, again on the left side, it's always on the left side in terms of the x, then this symbol right here can be converted to interval notation pretty easily. What I mean by that is, it says x is greater than or equal to negative 2. So for example, it might be helpful sometimes if you do this. Is 5 greater than or equal to negative 2? That checks, you see? For example. Or you choose a different value like 10. Is 10 greater than or equal to negative 2? That checks. That's important to understand because it's telling you the numbers that actually make it this right here true at step 4. Therefore, you can write it this way. You can put the negative 2, and if you want to convert into interval notation right here, because it says greater than or equal to, the portion that says equal to means you got to put a square bracket next to it, not a parenthesis. You put a comma, and because that arrow where it says greater than or equal to points to the right, that means you put a comma and you put the infinity symbol, and you close that with a parentheses that way. So this is the interval notation right here.